Okay, welcome back to Nick's Vids. I was a little worried coming out today because it's been raining the last few nights and I've got pretty much a bold rear tyre. But luckily, it's nice and dry still. Oh shit, that was close. You alright? No, not again. Well, that was a good start to the day. I think he's alright, luckily. The bike's fine, just scratches on the cage. He's an absolute animal on that GS, so I wasn't worried. This is a good lane. I don't know why we don't do this one more often. This is right next to our usual starting lane. We're coming into where we normally start. This is the lane we normally start on. Hi, welcome back to Nick's Vids. Today we're going to be doing green laning again, but it's not a fault video, so whoop whoop! You little savages. We were born for this. Da 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 da. Here we go. Connor's a little worried about his bike, obviously, because it was well, it's quite a heavy bike and that kind of impact really tweaks things. Hello. Thanks, mate. Have a good day. I feel like I know green lanes better than I know roads. Like, I know where every tree root, lump is, large rock, corner, slight bend, low hanging tree. Oh, he's picking up stones everywhere. It's like riding through a sandstorm. Ow, that hit me in the nose. Oh. That's all of us. See you later. Oh, that stone hit me in the nose! No, thinking massive rocks on me. See, that lady back there was so sound. She was like, just gave us a little have fun, like when we're hooning it down the lane. She wasn't like, she knows we're out to only have a good time. We're not out to hurt anyone. I know it upsets people and annoys people that we do this, but we live in the same world. But she was really sound, and it's nice to see. It's a rarity, it really is. Back through the doorway. It's like filtering, but with something above you as well. Oh, break it. Okay, so who's the retard that's lost his plate for the third time laning? This guy. Yeah, so I'm heading home. It's a piss take. I've dropped my plate somewhere, I've lost it. I've searched down a load of the lanes, I couldn't find it, so I'm heading back. There's one more lane to search as a last ditched hope. We got it, boys! Yeah, I'm coming back! The day's not done! Yeah, boy! We got it, boys! Come on then! Let's go find him! Whee! I'm so happy! Oh, there we go. I'm back with the guys, got my number plate. I'm loving it, I'm so happy. I honestly thought I was just going to have to go home and sit at home and sulk because I've got no laning day. Thank you. Woof, 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 woof. There we go, come on. Breathing in the smoke, the dust. Gotta love a bit of mud in your lungs. pop it into the lane, just drop it into the lane, straight onto the downhill, get on the brake. Oh, nearly lost the back then. Shake that booty. Shake that booty like you just don't care. I don't know what even song that is. As far as I'm aware, we're heading to Weetham Hill, which is meant to be quite a difficult lane, let's just say that. I'm not going to think about it, I'm just going to hit it like I hit most lanes, just go for it and not worry about it too much. And then also when Connor tells you a story about when he owned my bike, this is his old bike, when he knocked himself out on it. So yeah, I'm a little nervous, but fuck it, what's the worst that can happen, right? We'll have a bit of fun, and if I knock myself out, do it for a good video. Okay, here we go. Time to hit one of the most challenging lanes in the area. Keeping it in first, I think, because it's downhill section. Let's catch up with the boys. So far, it's not too bad. It's like a normal lane. Don't forget, whenever you watch these back, it never looks as steep on camera as it actually is. Okay, here's a bit more chalky downhillness. That's the issue. It's the chalk in the wet that fucks you up. Oh, I see. I've seen a video of this place in the wet. Oh, I see the issues. I can see how this would be fucking horrible in the wet. Jesus, even in going downhill in the wet would be horrible. That was nothing. That wasn't even that bad. Okay, we're heading up it again now, so this will show the difference. You can probably tell how it's a little bit steeper. You can really tell how steep it is now. Oh, thanks, Fitchy. Oh no. I always do the slowest crashes ever. We're going back down. Oopsie. Oh. This is probably a rocky one if Connor isn't taking it. That's all he's worrying about, is dropping his bike on the engine casings and cracking them open. Oh, that was a tree. Hello! That's love, that is. What? That's love. How did he fall back in it? Little G. Oh no! Oh, he's so funny. Thank you. You know how people with their kids like tickle their chin? That's what that felt like. It was weird.